Imagine unlocking the secret to an online business that's easy to start with less than $100, an absolute blast to run, and makes you a hero in the eyes of your customers. And the cherry on top? Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, you can start bringing in cash in less than 7 days. Introducing the email marketing agency, powered by AI. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this another one of those complicated things I've heard about before? Nope. Let me show you why it's actually the most straightforward and coolest business model you can dive into today, even if you're a total newbie. Here's the deal. We, entrepreneurs, are problem solvers by nature. And you know who's drowning in problems and seriously short on time? Local business owners. Sure, they're making decent money, but time? They're running on fumes. The never-ending hustle to find new clients and keep their businesses afloat is driving them bonkers. Now, most agencies focus on handling their social media or offering SEO services that seem to take eons to show any results. But there's one service that can get your clients results practically from day one: email marketing. Loads of businesses have a list of past customers, folks who have already bought and put their trust in them. And what do these businesses do after selling to these customers? Well, nothing. There are hundreds of thousands of businesses sitting on a gold mine without even realizing it or knowing how to tap into it. But we're onto something here. We know that the perfect customer is the one who's already purchased from us. And we know that email marketing reigns supreme as the most powerful marketing channel on the planet. Instead of trying to drum up new clients for them using boring social media posts or expensive ads, we just jump in and make them an offer they can't refuse. We'll help them boost their sales by taking over their email list. If we succeed, they pay us a monthly fee. Then we use AI tools like ChatGPT to whip up entertaining email ideas with just a click and send them out to their past clients via email. This usually sparks buying demand whenever we make an offer. Take this example. I was chatting with my accountant last week. She mentioned that they've done taxes for thousands of businesses over the years, but their business was not growing. As an email marketing agency, you could easily offer to take over her unused email list. Then, you can use ChatGPT to help you create awesome emails for her past clients. I know for certain this will bring many of her old customers back or get current clients into her bookkeeping services. But let's be conservative. Even if it's just 1% of her list of 10,000 emails, that's 100 more active customers. At an average profit of $475 a month for her bookkeeping and tax services, we could bring her an additional $47,500 per month. Do you think she'll mind paying you just 10% of that? Probably not. My friends Tony and Travis offer email marketing services for businesses. They're both bringing in 7-figure in profits each year with a similar business model. All they do is take over underutilized email lists of past customers. And the best part? They have a waiting list of customers eager to work with them. You can run this business in your PJs, and customers will be over the moon to work with you once they see their bank accounts swell thanks to your service. Now, it's time for action. In the comments, share one potential local business you could help with their email list as an email marketing agency powered by AI. It could be accountants, e-commerce stores, dentists, YouTubers, car dealerships, etc. The opportunities are endless. I'll be in the comments section to help you choose and answer any of your questions. I hope you're excited.